And moving on right now. Again, brace yourselves, get ready for our next game. These two teams, let me introduce first, Meralco Bulls. A former UAAP champion from Bacolod City's Worsley. Jersey 0, Tonino Gonzaga. From Quezon City, wearing jersey number 1, JJ Espanola. From Cebu at number 7, Alfred Batino. From Guagua, Pampanga at number 9, Dexter Marquez. Coach of Meralco Bolts, Coach Patrick Brown. Their opponent, Terrafirma 3x3. From Masinloc, Zambales at number 12, Jeremiah Taladua. From Cagayan de Oro at number 17, Red Cachuela. From Sorsogon at number 29, Shaq Bulawan. From Dasma, Cavite at number 39, Shaq Alanis. Coach of Terrafirma, Coach Raymond Tioco. Our officials, Bing Oliva, Mac Gillingan. And can we have the team captains of the two teams approach our officials, figure out who gets first possession. Meralco Bolts, Terrafirma 3x3, PBA 3x3, Lakas ng Tatlo.
Red Cachuela of Terrafirma said their goal is to work on their defense and their offense will follow. Their confidence was boosted by their past feats, unexpectedly making it to the finals and semifinals. Pero they have to make sure that they continue playing hard as a team. One thing he says that has been working for them is sharing the ball more effectively. Now facing off against Meralco, he said they want to be able to give them a good game. Gentlemen.
Thank you for that. Our courtside reporter, Miss Isa Chong, as we start the action in this ball game, Meralco Bolts versus Terrafirma 3x3. Activating a new player in JJ Espanola. Kapalitan itong si Joseph Sedoripa. Tingnan natin kung paano makaka-apekto yan sa atake ng Meralco Bolts.
Pag pinag-usapan ng atake, definitely ang top of mind dyan ay si Tonino Gonzaga. And Meralco securing 3 possessions after a takeaway sa unang offensive possession para dito sa Terrafirma.
Shaq Alanes.
Doing a Shaq Alanes move once again. Attacking to his strong side, can attack going to his weak side as well as Tonino Gonzaga tries to gain back his old form. A scoring machine in his own right.
Pero bumabalik na, no? Yung explosion to the basket nitong si Tonino Gonzaga.
Satsagayin mo lang talaga. Satsagayin mo lang talaga. Kasi pag napahinga sila talaga, nawawala yung form nila. Natural lang kasi every week naglalaro eh. So kung 2 weeks ka mapahinga, ilang laro yung hindi mo nagawa.
Tsaka kasi pag coming off injury, kahit anong sipag mo mag-workout, hindi pwede.
Diba yun?
Wala kang pwedeng gawin eh.
Diba yun?
4-1, a good start here for the Meralco Bolts. Shaq Alanes. Kicks it to Bulawan. Pero mukhang late na yon, hindi na-release sa oras as they are called for shot clock violation.
Medyo malamig inside the venue, no?
Yeah?
Kasi ginawa ko eh.
Oh, wala kang jacket, Coach Ronnie.
Kasi baka masagasaan ako dahil maitim ako pag nagsasabi.
Espanola. Yung maganda naman dito kay Espanola, he knows what he brings to the table for Meralco.
Right. He used to play for the Fighting Maroons as Taladua tries to score the first 2 ball para dito sa Terrafirma. Hinahanap ko yung head coach ng Terrafirma para naman sa Meralco.
Wala si Coach Patrick?
Oo.
Baka nasa second floor. Gusto ng bird's eye view. Gusto nila makita lahat ng play. As there's an offensive foul called again. Batino. First team foul for the Meralco Bolts.
Yes, offensive foul pa ng galing.
Bulawan, hands it off to Jeremiah. Binalik. Ay Bulawan dapat pero natapik ni
Yung
Espanola.
mga deflection na yan, ang lakas makatapas yan eh. Sa execution ng kalaban. Let's see if Meralco will be able to complete a defensive stop.
Jeremiah Taladua. Oh! A foul against Española.
Costly. Because that will be 2 free throws. Hirap na hirap makahanap ng butas and then you bail him out and get your opponent to the line. Grabe yung mga take sa clubs ni Kalatuan. Plus minus eh.
Oh,
Was that short?
sabi mo kasi coach, malakas yung aircon eh. Ikaw nagsabi nun eh. Oh, 2 free throws off for Jeremiah.
Hindi makadiin, ano?
Oo. Pero nakuha nilang bola. Shakalanes with the steal. 2 minutes gone by in this matchup. Casuela. Sinukat yung defense ni Maiquez but overcooks that short corner jumper. Gonzaga for 2. No.
Good contest coming from Alanes.
Alanes. Pag kasi pumreno bigla, di mo alam kung paano mo hahabulin eh.
Paano ka pepreno?
Wow!
Oh.
Preno isang paa.
Preempted foul given up and that will be the second or third team foul para sa Meralco.
Offensive foul, shooting foul ni Española, tapos itong pangatlo. Yung Terrafirma, malinis pa, but they're down by 4 here. Alanes with a rip through, absorbs the contact, and overshoots the mark.
Excellent defensive play coming from Gonzaga.
Fake handoff, Batino, banggaan ni Taladua.
They needed that. They were forcing defensive stops, but they were not scoring. 5-point cushion para dito sa Meralco. Well contested once again by Maiquez. Understanding the fact that Shaq Alanes can hurt you and can beat you by himself if he waxes up. No ifs and buts. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
Kaya dikitan mo na talaga eh. No? Huwag mo nang bigyan ng kumpiyansa.
Sa ating dalawang dali natin sabihin. pero,
Ba't di nyo ba ginagawa?
pero alam mo, pag tumakbo yan at gumalaw,
Yeah.
ang hirap habulin yan. Kasi may preno siya. May arangkada siya.
Oo. May lakas din.
Malakas eh.
Saan pupunta ang play na to? Gonzaga.
Layo masyado.
Top angle. Pero last touch pa. Itong si Bulawan. You have to credit Batino for just staying in there, being competitive, winning this possession for Meralco. Española dumps it inside to Batino. Maiquez reposts. Batino makes his move and converts on the layup.
And that's excellent execution.
Isa pa lang ang maitatala.
Well defended once again. Alanes has been the focal point of Meralco's defense and with Taladua appearing to be hurt. That is a good game plan para dito sa Meralco. We're up right now by 6. But Terrafirma, kaninang bola ba talaga?
White ball.
Sabi
Kanina
doon,
pa-
white. Turo, no?
Kanina pa sinasabi ng referee na white ball, pero si Shaq sinusubukan kunin yung possession. Another post-up play. Oh, but a sorry miss for Batino. And now, a turnover.
And again, defensive effort by Española. Sometimes, it's not scoring. Most of the time, it's defending. And when players understand that, they become real 3x3 specialists.
Nakikita nyo yung kalidad ng depensa ng Meralco ngayon. No? Only 1 point in the matchup for Terrafirma ngayon.
A nice ball
Siyam
skill
na
set
ang Meralco.
by Maiquez. For Gonzaga, and Gonzaga has exploded in this match.
Jeremiah, pabandang 2-point shot, finally falls.
Huwag kang magugulat dito kay Jeremiah Taladua.
Maiquez recovering as he is fouled for 1.
Second team foul para dito sa Terrafirma.
Ito yung tira ni Taladua.
Tumitira nga yan sa kanto eh. Tumitira ng paatras, tumitira ng pabagsak.
At apparently tumitira ng pabanda. That's what
Yung
he
banda,
landed.
natural sa kanya yan. Marquez will miss a free throw.
Alanis, umatake na. The layup, hirap talaga na sukatin yung layup dito sa laban na to. Gonzaga with a Euro step, kick out pass. Marquez checks his feet for two. No good.
Marquez could not see an open teammate. Definitely a much better two-point shooter in JJ Espanola. Lost opportunity to score for Meralco. We're still up by 6 points.
Ulawan with a power move over Coxet. Paubos na yung kanilang shot clock. Alam niya ba? Naitira niya naman. Hindi nga lang pumasok. Bounce pass. Ni-reverse pa nitong si Batino.
Excellent setup by Espanola. Was really played so well for Meralco up to this stage of the match.
High ball screen. Jeremiah. Step back. Two is good again.
Dangerous when Taladua gets hot. Taladua, nakita mo yung step back kung gaano kalayo? You just cannot give up defending him and assume that he's attacking the basket because he'd rather take a two-point shot.
Pero dahil sa lakas ng pulso kasi talaga kahit anong anggulo kayang bumitaw nitong si Jeremiah.
Tama.
Pass a little too forward for Batino.
Wala pa tayo sa halfway mark.
Pa, may 1 second pa.
Oo.
Nauna yung pindot ng buzzer.
This is a knockout match to get to the quarterfinals.
Ang mananalo dito, tatapat sa San Miguel Beermen. Ito pong Robinson's Place, Manila, naging tahanan na ng PBA, specifically
PBA draft.
Ito po ang naging kwento, no? Itong first overall pick, of course, a product of PBA 3x3, si Brandon Manuelos-Rosser, who unfortunately was not able to attend yung kanyang draft dahil lumalaban pa sa para sa bayan nung mga kasalukuyang panahon na yun. Yep.
Tama ka. Nasa Hanoi, Vietnam sila playing the Southeast Asian Games.
And now we head into our TV timeout. 4 minutes, 48 seconds remaining in this match. Meralco has back on their defense,
Right.
preventing Terrafirma from getting into their flow in this matchup.
It's only been Jeremiah Taladua who's been able to go with this escape path. Banking on his confident two-point shooting. He has scored, I believe, 4 of their 5 points, while on the flip side, Batino and Gonzaga with 3, Marquez and Espanola.
For Meralco, you want
with
to
2 points
finish
apiece.
as high as possible para depensahan din yung spot mo in the top 4 heading into the conference finals this
Tama
coming
pa.
July 3.
Tama pa. And Espanola with another big
Pass
defensive
there,
play.
easily taken away by Espanola. Preemptive foul given up by Jeremiah.
Sometimes it's about role playing, no? Kung ball mover ka minsan, ball mover ka. Kung defender ka kadalasan, defender ka. You have a chance to score, sasagain mo.
Mabilis na atake. Gonzaga can't score on the layup. Tapik. Mapupunta kay Espanola. It taps it out of bounds. It will go to Green.
That was a good strong attack coming from Gonzaga. Now they need a defensive stop after they failed to knock in the basket.
So nabigyan ng warning itong si Alfred Batino
Bakit?
for complaining.
Okay.
Oo. Sabi ni Alfred, narinig ko. Sabi niya, okay lang na warning, pero pinapaalam ko lang sa'yo na pakitignan ito, please, specifically.
Ang wawarning ako, si Jolly Escobar, kumakain na naman eh.
4 minutes, 23 seconds remaining. Capchuela, ginamitan ng laki. Dito si Espanola as he scores.
Laki at lakas.
Kung mabagal man yung umpisa, itong Terrafirma can heat up at any given point. As Espanola finds the opening.
Able to also go to his right side. Excellent getaway. Now, this is critical. Defending without fouling.
Taladua, Mintisian, Gonzaga saves it to the wrong man. At ganda ng basa. Oh! Kala ko isang kamay pa lang yung hawak ni Gonzaga.
Outside na si Tonino.
Hindi, kanila yung bola.
Anong tawag doon?
Not clear daw. So I thought there was no change in possession. Mamaya, baka magkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon tignan ulit. Baka naman nakahawakan ng dalawang kamay ni Gonzaga for definite change in possession. Good pass. Cachuela scores down low.
That's not clear.
So ano yung tawag?
Tinitignan
Let's see
ko.
this again. That's not a change in possession. Di ba dapat dalawang kamay yung hawak? And then after that, our referee from the outside was signaling na hindi clear, pero naitawag yung foul sa loob. And now we have an offensive foul.
JJ Espanola, team defensive stops para sa Meralco, but Meralco needs to score at this stage. Far from 21, a lot of pressure in this match, a knockout game.
Batino, daming mintis dyan, pero tinulungan siya. Itong si Dexter Mike.
Pero alam mo,
cleaning things up.
natutunan ko dyan, teammate. Maski
Yeah.
magmintis ka, basta kayurin mo lang sa loob, maraming mangyayari.
Positive pa rin kahit paano.
Exactly. Mapapagod mo yung kalaban, baka pumaul sila.
Si Maikes naman, hindi
Finally.
magmimintis.
Finally, Maikes will score. 6-point lead para dito sa Meralco. Ang natutunan ko pang isa dyan, teammate, once you're beaten, you're beaten. But you protect your team foul, especially in a match such as this.
Si Shaq medyo napo-frustrate na ayaw pumasok ng mga layup niya, coach.
1 point so far para dito kay Shaq Alanes.
Pasok yung free throw. Si Espanyola parang magnanakaw ng 2-point shot pero nabasa ng depensa. And this will be another stop for Terrafirma. Shaq Alanes. Maganda yung depensa kasi ni Batino kaya hinakis na lang niya yung bola. Gaan! Pinapulawan ng saka Maikes.
It's either nawala yung engine brake, naging foot brake.
6 fouls. So penalty na po ang Terrafirma. Mamimigay sila ng dalawang free throws with their next foul. Gonzaga, hindi maipagpag si Taladua. Dexter Maikes goes reverse. He has been the best player of this matchup so far for Meralco. Batino, pumunta kay Gonzaga. Picks up his dribble. Batino wiggles free and he scores on the layup.
That's a big conversion kasi that's a broken play already. But Taladua keeps them alive with that 2-point conversion once again.
May oras pa dito 2 minuto, sarado. 5 ang lamang ng Meralco. 2-point shot for Gonzaga, short.
Out of control is Tonino. Batino was near the basket. Opted to go for that home run play. Without taking a look, the Terrafirma is over the limit.
It's like every chance to score, they have to.
Alanes, can he heat up? Yes, he will.
That's a defensive breakdown once again for Meralco.
101 seconds remaining in the
Pag si Alanes nakapasok ng isa, kadalasan may kasunod. As a foul is called against Gonzaga, both teams now in penalty. Mula sa check ball.
Right.
95 seconds sa natitira. We got a timeout on the floor again for the finals. Susunod Platinum Terra.
Terrafirma behind, but only by 3. Both teams over the limit.
Welcome everyone. Tapusin lang natin ang video.
15-12 is the count.
Leaving natin mga t-shirts.
Only a 3-point lead and Terrafirma has possession, and you have Shaq Alanes making his first 2-point shot. Anything can still happen in this match.
And Taladua as well.
Tachuela hands it off to Taladua. 5 seconds na lang. Taladua, biglang umarangkada. Layup niya, pasok. Kailangan mag-igat dito ng magkabilang koponan. They can't give up fouls. Española, wide open for 2. That's good.
Separation, courtesy of Espanola. Espanola rather, Meralco does not have to foul.
Alanes gets 1 point back. Still enough time. Minute and 2 seconds remaining.
That was huge. Kumbaga, dalawa mo, isa ko.
Gonzaga goes to the crossover. Tonino draws a foul. That's 2 free throws for Alanes.
Let's see.
For Gonzaga rather.
Let's see if he converts. Parehong kaliwete kasi.
Oh, man.
Let's see if he converts his free throws. Meralco 0-2 right now. Under a minute left for the chance to get to the quarterfinals for the Bolts. Likewise for Terrafirma 3x3. Seventeen,
14, 3-point lead for Meralco. Tonino Gonzaga in the free throw line now for 2 para dagdagan ang lamang. The first one is good. Now to make it a 3-possession advantage, a crucial free throw coming up here for Gonzaga. Dahil dun sa foul na pinamigay nitong si Alanes, but he misses it. Taladua gets the rebound for the green shirts. Jeremiah umatake, scores. Meralco nagsusunog ng konting oras. Maikes, the layup. Oh, rims out. May pag-asa pa dito. Taladua fakes. Alanes umatake sa loob and he scores on the layup. Only a 2-point game, 18-16. Here we go. Batino asking for it down low kontra kay Cachuela. 3 seconds to shoot. Batino, power move. No. Alanes for the tie. No. No need to foul just yet for Terrafirma. May mga 3-second difference between game block and shot clock. Kick out pass to Maikes. And that's a miss. And that helps Terrafirma dahil air ball. So it will be a check ball with 2.2 remaining.
Uncontrolled transition play will open the door para sa Terrafirma to knock in a possible
Taladua for the tie. No, just a little short. They got their chances. Kinulang lang ng konting-konti sa dulo.
They fought really
Terrafirma
hard.
3x3.
They fought really hard and they played smarter than Meralco in the last part. Maikes will score a total of 5 points and grab 5 rebounds to be the top player in this match, but I thought that JJ Espanola was the key player for Meralco in this win. Defensive effort, Shaq Alanes, yes, he scored 6 points, but could have been 12 had they not defended Alanes early on. Meralco will step inside the quarterfinals, and I believe they will face San Miguel in the last 8. And Terrafirma will have to say goodbye to leg 6.